Yummy, right?
You want to try?
Later, after this, you can bite,
Start eating.
bite. You can bite.
Oh,
This is the baby chick over there.
this is the
Chick. It's a chick.
chick. Okay.
Yeah, but you can bite this one, like the yellow one already. Bite. Sarap, no?
Sarap.
Sarap.
It's like
Sarap, no? That's my favorite.
egg with added snail flavor. That is a hair. Do we eat the hair also?
Everything.
This hair also we eat?
Yes, you can
Oh,
eat.
oh my god.
Oh my god.
This is the hair we eat. Chicken hair, baby hair.
Baby hair. It's a duck with an early career. Oh, balut.
Balut. Balut.
Ay, meron kayong balat?